All right, in our last video, I showed you how to get this pre-centered, how to get it rotating, the speed I want. The next thing is hand positioning. I always have one hand on the side, which is my left hand. The other thing you're gonna notice is my elbow is in. It's not in really tight, it's out a little bit, but it's anchored. This elbow never leaves my thigh. I know Mr. Paul really likes it when his elbow is in further and his kids' hands are more at 6 o'clock. That's a very effective centering method. I'm more at 7 o'clock. So if you think about that, 6 o'clock is right here, 7 o'clock on a clock face is right here. I'm kind of right about there. And then my top hand goes on right here and I push down with my top hand. Now when I say push down, I actually mean pressure. I have equal pressure right here. Some students will vary a little bit. They'll do this, where you're very close to what Mr. Paul is doing, but they've kind of got their hands like this or like this. It's really up to you. First thing I want to talk to you about is my left hand. It's right here on the side. I'm squeezing, just giving a little bit of pressure, and then I push down with my top hand. I can feel the clay dragging in my hand, which means it needs to slide a little bit better into my hands. What I'm looking for is for this to be spinning equally. I've got equal pressure here, equal pressure on top. But if you notice, you can see my fingers moving. This is still not centered down here. What's important in this step is get that side hand on there and your top hand. What I usually do is I push down first, and that is pushing that clay down and into this side hand, and that's where I'm going to bring it centered.